Hi baby, good morning. I have a lot of realization this morning and I want to start a project 30 which is improving myself again. And right now I'm going to the gym. Syempre, kailangan natin yon maging healthy every day. Kasi syempre, wala mag-aalaga sa atin pag nagkasakit tayo. Tulad ngayon, meron akong ubo kasi nag-change weather na. So from winter, so mag-spring season na. So prone talaga yung ubo tsaka sipon ngayon. So ngayon, nakakaramdam ako nun. And kailangan natin bumangon. And tamang-tama rest day ko ngayon. And pupunta ako sa gym. Kahit 3 hours lang. And then, so let's go. Today is day 1 of our Project 30. And I want to spend my day a very productive day. So right now, I'm here in gym. So tinatry ko lang maging fit, no? Kasi medyo nagkakasakit tayo. So meron akong ubo and baka mawala. And then nag-gym naman ako last week. And of course, maging healthy, no? Every day. So hindi lang mentally, physically. So kailangan natin maging healthy. So let's go! And yeah, dito ako nag-gym and katatapos ko lang. And 11:30 or 12. So lunch na. Pupunta ako dito sa bibili ako ng kebab. Yun lang yung lunch ko.